This workshop on wheels is the first in all of Exelon. It's a battery electric van, and all the tools and equipment on it are fully electric as well. In the past, we would have gasoline powered welders, generators, jump start systems. Well, now everything on this is battery electric. A battery powered air compressor, jump start systems, and even a portable fast charger for recharging discharged EVs at a job site. One of the features of this van is to repair the BGE fleet out in the field. In this situation, we're using the battery electric welder to make repairs to this bucket on this mini excavator. There's no emissions with using the battery electric welder compared to a gasoline powered welder. The key innovations, unique features, and operational efficiency of this van results in an annual reduction of 756 gallons of fuel and a greenhouse gas emissions avoidance of 5.57 tons. There's a lot to it, but it's simple. When you see this driving down the road, you think it's just a van, but you open up the doors and wow, it's a workshop on wheels.